Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who is recuperating after testing positive for coronavirus in the month of April, this morning tweeted a message for the government on the vaccine policy. Save India from COVID, make vaccines free for all, he said in nearly 2-minute long video. The Congress MP from Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram targeted the centre over its ambitious plan to vaccinate the entire country by the end of this year. He said, "As you can see, I'm in my bed, suffering the complications of a long COVID infection. I just want to say to everybody, having seen the government statement that everybody will be vaccinated by the end of December, while seeing the availability of vaccines or lack thereof of the vaccines, I wonder how the government is going to get there." Last week, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar had made it clear that India's vaccination drive is on track, while reasserting that the government plans to vaccinate all the people by December end.
Hello friends, this is Shashi Tharoor. As you can see, I'm still in bed, suffering the complications of a long COVID infection. I just want to say to everybody, having seen the statement by the government that everyone will be vaccinated by the end of December, while seeing the availability or lack thereof of our vaccines, I wonder how the government is going to get there. I support the Indian National Congress's campaign for a massive change in the government's policy to permit universal vaccination of all Indians within the promised deadline of December, and to do so free of cost. It is unacceptable that this government should be demanding that states, private hospitals and others compete in some sort of market free-for-all to buy vaccines at different prices, extortionate prices in some cases, when the central government had an arrangement to buy vaccines at affordable prices and give them to the public for free. That was the policy at the beginning of the vaccination drive. Let us have a universal and free vaccination policy to save our nation from COVID. I've been through a lot. I don't want my fellow citizens to suffer even a fraction of what I have done, and certainly not to do worse than me, as so many have, in the tragedy that has unfolded in our nation. Save India, have a universal vaccination policy, make vaccines free for all. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.